We are climbing our way up a volcano. And Rona knows how much I hate steps. And there's going to be a lot of steps. But we're going up for the lookout to see what it is. As you can see, walkway to the old volcano.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess
We are climbing our way up a volcano. And Rona knows how much I hate steps. And there's going to be a lot of steps. But we're going up for the lookout to see what it is. As you can see, walkway to the old volcano.
it's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we own. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Hi guys, it's Ray.
I'm Rona.
If you like our channel and enjoying our videos, please consider subscribing. And if you really want to help the channel, please check out the link in the description for my Patreon or my Buy Me a Coffee link. Thanks, bye.
Bye.